Okay, so today we're going to make the 6.6 mile trip on our bikes to Quesada. We're getting a bit fat and we thought we'd get some exercise today and burn off of them calories by going to Quesada on the bikes. Soggy, no, it's all wet.
Soggy, sweaty.
Why is that?
Because it's a bit hot.
I know, but what have we been doing?
Cycling. Long
Cycling.
way.
How far have we gone?
Over 3 miles.
We did 3 miles in 25 minutes. I don't think that's very good in terms of Olympic cycling. But,
well, yeah.
But he said, if you listen to the message, said you've just done on me watch. You've done 3 miles in 25 minutes at an average speed of 7.15 miles per hour. It's a bit pathetic, isn't it? But a lot of that were uphill.
We did use our battery at the end.
Only at the end, though.
Just uphill.
The last 3/4 of a mile, because it's all uphill. So, but we did quite well there. The food's coming. Oh, gracias. Thank you.
Spanish ham.
Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you. Gracias. So 6.6 miles to Quesada from where we are.
Is the olive oil on your bread?
It's not saturated, but I suppose there is. It's really nice. So where are we? Donna Pepper. We're in Donna Pepper. What do they call the restaurant?
Daniela?
Daniela. Is that a Spanish Daniela? How's it? An English Daniela.
Well, it's the same spelling as English, but only one out.
Oh, that's where we are. We've done 3.8 miles. We're going 6.6 miles. So we're more than halfway there. Oh, have we just seen in Quesada? Eh?
This is Manuel.
Just seen Manuel from Casa Manuel driving his little black van.
From Telly.
Aye.
Seeing selling houses.
Sunsea and selling houses.
Can't breathe.
Anyway, we're in Quesada. 6.6 miles we've done from our little abode between the lakes. So we're not quite between the lakes now, but we're not far off. We've probably done 6 miles. This is probably half a mile short of the top of the hill. It might be a bit more actually. What do you think?
Yeah, it could be a bit more.
I think it's probably a bit more. Very, very quiet, isn't it?
12.
12:15. And there's hardly anybody here.
End of August.
Yeah, let's have a walk up here. The old Don Carlos is normally evening at any time, isn't it?
This should be the busiest week.
Yeah,
Leading up to the bank holiday.
before the kids go back to school. Yeah, that's right. It's going to be quite devastating for businesses. Oh no! We love that place. 100 Monteditos. It's fantastic. They've done a great job with the pavement. All looks very, very nice. Just a shame there's not more tourists here to enjoy it. Okay, so you can't come to Quesada and not come to Quesada Fish and Chips. Mini cod and chips here. Delicious, as it says. It's always good here though. Can't go wrong with fish and chips, can you? Just cover you up. Can't go wrong, can you? What? Can't go wrong, can you?
Say it's mini. Quite big, that fish.
Not big for a minute.
Quite big for a minute.
Where that car's just coming out of, if that's sort of a mainish road, we'll go up there because we need to go up to the top. But now it's time for a pint. It's pint time. I've had two. I'm not greedy, I'm just thirsty. But I've burnt so many calories way up here.
You bring them back again.
I've burnt 800 calories.
How much are you drinking?
There's only what 100 calories in fish and chips? And I'm going to enjoy this second pint before we what's the word, cruise back down to the centre of Quesada. You just sit on your bike and release the brake. So this is the end of our journey. This is where we dropped the pin at 6.6 miles, isn't it? Did you drop the pin?
You
Or did I
dropped
drop
the
the pin?
pin. You were always dropping pin.
I'm always dropping myself in it, I know that, but anyway, I dropped the
dropping
pin.
some up.
And this is where I dropped the pin. This fantastic view. Look at that, man. It's absolutely superb. And it's absolutely magnificent. And we can see, that's Redovan, the mountain at Redovan. The mountains beyond Redovan there in the distance. It's a bit hazy today, but looks great. And as we come round here, we're going past Royalis. And we can see probably Elche, I think, in the distance there. Let's walk over here. And this point actually points north. This apex of white wall. So now we're pointing directly north from where we are. And north from where we are is up towards Alicante. So if I swing around just a little bit there, that's looking towards Alicante. Swing around a bit more, and we can see Guadamar in the distance.
And the sea.
And you can see the sea. On that note, I think we'll wrap the video up. This is Quesada, the main point today. We've been to Quesada, we love Quesada. We can't believe how quiet it is, how quiet the Don Carlos was. And what a shame that all the redevelopment they've done in Quesada, all the pavements they've done, and nobody's going to be able to take advantage of that this year. But hopefully next year, when they all come flooding back, after this horrible virus has been eradicated,
Hopefully.
they will come back in droves and enjoy Quesada and all it has to offer. On that note, thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't like the video, and we'll see you. Adios. We'll see you in the next one.